So I ended up trying to get this move right here. I was a little late, so I kind of got that entry, but pretty much saw immediate green. And what I liked was the reason why I took it is because this candle didn't close between this entry and stop loss right there. So because that candle didn't close and it closed above, that's why I took it. So technically now this is entry right there. Here is the stop loss right there. So two red candles now failed to close here. So I don't think it should hit my stop loss, but both those red candles both closed higher than here. They get a small close right there. I cut that trade, just took a little small loss. I didn't have the best entry. Like if it was an entry, I would have probably broke even. But being that that candle closed beneath between my entry and my stop loss original, that makes me think that price might want to go down and take out and fill this fair value gap. So I'm gonna try it. All because that candle closed. So I took that loss on that and then expect my stop loss to get hit now in that sale. I don't know if y'all was paying attention to that, but I was trying to do a call. That candle closed in between my entry, allowed me to get out, and then I was able to grab that just now. And then that hits my target. So I paid myself right there. That's what I was trying to grab right there. Y'all saw that? Y'all saw how smooth that was just now? It was amazing. Now I'm gonna ride it back up because that was technically my entry right there. So this was my entry for my calls. So I rolled it down, rolled it back up. You watching this?
Yes.
And I am going to put a stop loss right here, though, at 38.50. Because technically, this is like a 15-minute setup, right? So, like, it shouldn't hit my stop loss. Even though my stop loss for this would be all the way down here if I took this entry, it's just really large. So, I just put it at 38.50 because I would want to see price come back up to this target and not take out that low of that candle, right? Like, you saw this fair value gap here earlier. You saw this fair value gap here earlier, and it bounced. So I'm expecting to see more of a bounce now. That's why I'm in this call with 38.50 as my stop loss. And I'm only trading 5 contracts of MNQ right now. Just trying to get these are my first couple of trades of the day. Just getting some, wins under my belt. And since I'm in this trade, we're going back to some. Oh God, it's good. Get this. All right, let me not get excited. Let me pay attention to detail because I'm paying attention to the dollar. All right. So now that we're on this 1 minute, really don't want to see price come back below 43.25. So I'm gonna move my stop up some to 43.25. Take a little bit less because I'm up $135. And I want to see it keep going to that 76.75. If it comes back to 58.25, I think I'm gonna buy some more. Well, I can't buy no more. That was quick. It was real quick. That one big candle was large. I got really excited on that one. Well, it is what it is. That was really large. That was really quick. That was unfortunate. So I'm gonna back up. So I just took a loss on that. I thought we was gonna do the 15-minute candle. Um, go back to the 15. We still haven't hit it, but damn, maybe I shouldn't have touched my stop loss. I don't know, but I didn't expect that to happen. Like it was super close to my target too. And that was a bad trade.
Ooh, 106. Golly, SJ.
And now look at this. I'm in the people bump in there. I got 100 something. Look at this right here. Try, but then you gotta make it right.
I wouldn't want to do that now. Oh, that's CL. Okay, I thought that was NQ. I said, man,
Look at this.
Mute. I have to mute Merc because this is recording. Yeah, man. That's unfortunate that's annoying. So it's playing. This is where I get in trouble at this channel. So it's playing in the channel right now. It's going up, going down, going up, going down. So if I'm gonna do another call, I'm not gonna buy in the middle of that channel. So I got caught in that channel just now and just realized that it's a channel. And so it's playing in between liquidity and liquidity. That's what it looks like it's doing. So that's why I took a loss on that call. And then it came right back down and then went right back up. So I'm not going to buy here. Even though this is an entry, I'm not going to buy here because I'm expecting price to take out liquidity. I'm still green for the day. Like I'm still up $44, but I gave back that $100 just now.
It's creating a W again, TJ. So I think this might be the move up.
I'm looking for it to come back down again. Honestly, when they take out this high right there.
Yeah, that's breaking the neckline. So I'm thinking that it's gonna probably go up to at least that third red candle that's long to the left.
Yeah, I was looking for it to drop after taking out this high right here. When it takes out this
Okay.
high right there, I'm expecting for it to come down and take out this low right there. And I should have took it as soon as it did that. That makes sense, Roy, what I was saying.
Oh yeah, yeah, I got you.
And now I'm expecting for it to go below 38.50. That's why I did the sell. I just hesitated on it at first. Like it's in the channel right now and it's going from liquidity to liquidity. It didn't take out liquidity on the sell side, so this time it will. So I'm looking for it to take out, one of these swing lows down here.
You definitely called it.
All right, I'm paying myself. So got that sale. And we got this fair value gap down here. Might have could have been in that damn thing, but it's all good. I realized it was in the channel. I was like, it's not out of that channel yet. Because if it was, it would have hit this. And when they gave us that red candle. So now we got another fair value gap, which this is the last one here. So I'm gonna try to buy at 812. And then I'm put my stop loss. Actually, there's one more entry below here at 79.97.75. Y'all see that right there, but we got two fair value gaps. So I'm gonna either try to buy from either 97 or 812 or take the sale down from 40, whichever one to get hit first. That's the one I'm gonna do. But I'm green for the day, so that's real good. I'm up $268 already. Could have been up that other $100 that I had, but I got married to that call, and so I took that small loss. And it's important to note that like the 4 hour candle is red right now, and it closes in 2 minutes and 38 seconds. So 2 minutes and 38 seconds, looking for price to come back up again. All right. So I am looking for an opportunity for calls. We did hit my 812 entry. I did not take it because I was hesitating or because I'm teaching. But I marked off this one too. This fair value gap that was right there because that was one I saw. I would be up, $8 if I took that 812 entry, but I did not take it. But if it 812 was the entry, then I should be able to get an entry off the 1 minute for continuation. If 812 was the entry. If I don't get a continuation off the 1 minute, then 812 wasn't the entry, and I didn't miss out on anything. And I'll be looking for it to come down to 97.75. So watching where the closes happen in relationship to this fair value gap. So far, it's just wicks that have gone below here to the 812. All the closes on the 1 minute are still above. I still don't like this 812. I think it's going to come to this fair value gap. Because this candle closed lower than 50%. So that's why I think it's going to come down to here. So I'm actually going to do another sell again. As soon as it hits that 5 EMA, I'm going to take that. Right. Stop loss, though. That's some sense. That 812. Got to up. I know what I did wrong. The 4 hour candle just closed, so that was like reaching up. But if it's going to be continuation on the downside and not play the 4 hour candle, then I'll at least be able to get out of that. I'm getting out of that. I'm getting out of that. I got out of it. I ain't like what happened just now. I was like, shoot, I was down $100 just now. I got out of that quick. Ugh. So it gave us an entry here and gave us a stop loss here. See where this candle closes. So are we playing the 4 hour back up since that 4 hour candle just closed? Or are we going to continue going down? Depends on where this candle closes.
Switching to Shopify helps you sell smarter at every stage of your business. Take full control of your brand with your own.
Oh, that was nice. All right. So that closed higher. That closed higher. So y'all saw me take that. But 811 is my stop loss. So I got 811 as my stop loss. Look for price to push up. Hopefully I'm not getting caught in the chop right now where it's going from swing high to swing low. But this where this candle closes is going to be, does it close beneath 1875? So it did. I'm not trading the down the aisle. I'm gonna get out. I got out because it closed and then I just broke even. So I don't like that. I'm glad I did close because now it's back between my entry and my stop loss once again. I'm still up $279, but y'all saw how I got out of that trade with green, even though it was only $2 and my stop loss gets hit, all because of that close. Do y'all see it? It's right there. Like it closed in between my entry and my stop loss, and I saved myself from taking a big loss. Oh man, this is great trading today. Not marrying my idea, focusing on what the charts are telling me. 4 hours still going down right now. So we're now at this 97.75. I'm taking that. But I am gonna put in a daggone stop loss. You can figure out where my stop loss is gonna be at. But I took that 15 minute. Oh, we green. We green. Not get married my idea. I need to find a daggone stop loss or get out of this trade because I'm not comfortable until I get a stop loss. Let me just put it in a mock one right now. I just got something that at least I won't lose much. But while I focus on where I'm gonna get a stop loss at. Okay, so my stop loss should be here. It's 78.25. So my entry was here. My stop loss should be 78.25. So I got a stop loss at 89 because I'm up $100. But it filled all those fair value gaps. That was the bottom one. That's $180. And I'm sorry, y'all. I'm taking profits. I took $180 off the table. I don't care if that was $180. We ain't giving that back. Not today. After markdown is accumulation, they play this channel and don't go straight up. So yeah, I'm out of that thing. We up $443 today. Y'all see the way I'm navigating the markets today, though? This shit beautiful. All right, let's see if the 1 minute give me a continuation. So it gave me three nice big candles, right? Three nice big candles. So technically, my stop loss should be here. My entry should be here. It hasn't given me anything yet. So I know I paid myself the 80. The profit is profit. And I'm so close to funding this account that I don't care about NQ. I do not care about NQ at all. I will not blow this account. I'm sorry.
How long does it usually take has it taken for doing MNQ to fund?
A couple days, no
Okay.
longer than a week. But doing NQ be too, it'd be too, not today. Not today. You ain't blowing this because I'm sitting at right now. Look, count summary, $443. I'm at 52K. So I'm not blowing this account. I'm not. NQ ain't worth it. So it didn't give me an entry. It was really close, but it did not tap me in. I do not. We're in another fair value gap. So I'm going to get rid of this fair value gap right now. This is the one that we bounced from. I get that's the one we bounced from, right? I'm still, my directional bias is still bullish for the day. I am still bullish, even though I have played these sales down today, right? I am still bullish. I still want to see price go all the way up to that 4-hour target, which now, right? Like if I just give y'all what we're happening right now, this 4-hour right now is green, right? It is green right now. So I'm okay with trying to get back up to 17881.25, right? That is where I'm trying to get back to. Right now, we are in this old fair value gap right here. And you can see where the closes are happening at 50%. The wicks have done the damage. I am bullish. This is the entry right now for continuation to the upside. For QQQ, for SPY, for an NQ, for all of those. This is it right here. So 5-minute closes. Here's an entry. Here's a stop loss. I am taking it to 827. I got in my target now, 827. And then I'm putting in my stop loss at 97.25. So I got enough wiggle room to give that breathing room to let it do its thing, right? And just trust my bias that I have. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm trading with MNQ. So even if it hit my stop loss, it is not going to be detrimental to my account. But I am bullish. So hopefully this taps me in and doesn't be, weird. I will look at the 1 minute just to see if the 1 minute was giving any type of continuations. The 1 minute gave one continuation so far, which was here. That was the continuation they gave at 10:08. So if the 5 minute don't give it to me, then maybe the 1 minute will. But the 1 minute has given one continuation, which is still around my 5-minute target. So, when it comes, I'll know if my stop loss is going to get hit. If a 1 minute candle closes in between this entry and stop loss, I'll know if my target and stop loss is going to get hit. What does sergeant stand for?
See.
So, see green, take green, sergeants. We are sergeants of the market. See green, take green, SGT. Mark, you heard that?
Yeah, I do, TJ.
Yeah, sergeants of the market. See green, take green.
Hashtag SGTG.
I haven't put that into the Google account to see if that could be a name change. See green, take green.
Yeah. Well,
Oh, 1 minute just gave us an entry right here. I did not take it, but it did give us an entry right there. All right, let me see where we are. If we're above the 5 EMA, I'm taking it. I'm taking that. Now that wasn't the best entry, but I took it. And my stop loss is going to be 26. So it was not the best entry, right? My entry should have been 36. But I took it because we were above the 5 EMA. So I want to see price stay above that 5 EMA, start riding that thing up. And I am, so yeah, I paid myself just now again that $70 because I didn't have the best entry. So I just got out. It was a close of a candle. I just paid myself, and because I did that, I'm now up $500 for the day. So 15-minute candle closes. I know we're playing it up, but could we still be in like some channel right now? We're still below the 5 EMA on the 15-minute. 5-minute, we're above. You can see that, the entry for the 5-minute candle is now here. After I pay myself, I'll go back and reassess the situation, right? You got to reevaluate, reassess, always being continuous reassessment. So the 1 minute will give me an entry here and a stop loss here, right? I'm gonna get rid of this fair value gap just for right now. And I'm going to draw this because, nope, I'm gonna draw this one. Because this one's the biggest one out of all of them. I'm gonna look at where those can. Oh yeah, look at that, perfect. I found 50% of that fair value gap. So I got trying to get 47 with 35. So I got know my entry, know my stop loss. I want to see, price continue to go in, but it's about to tap me in at 47. That's what I'm hoping. And y'all, Doug, you trading SPY yet?
Nah, I'm in QQQ calls. I took the calls from the bottom here, so
Oh, nice, nice. You got in at the bottom where that should bounce.
yeah.
Hell yeah, let's go. Forget SPY. Let's just trade QQQ for now.
Yeah,
How much you up on them? How much you up on them things?
I'm in the 433 calls. I paid 82 and they're 134 right now.
Let's go. So I may not get my entry. You might not give it to me. I'm trying to get back into this call. We'll see what happens. I think I need to just be patient. But I think it'll give it to me. I just gotta wait. Just gotta wait. Not chase this. And ain't the end of the world. Marcy, how you doing over there? You trading options?
It's pretty good, but now I'm on doing NQ. I blew my account because I had entered into 3 contracts and I thought it was just one. So when it went against me, I was
Mm,
so I had to reset.
it's all good.
I know, but I was like doing so well on that account. I don't even understand because it was only down 1,000, 1,000 something, like 1,100,
Mhm.
but it wouldn't let me. It wouldn't let me. It kept rejecting. So it's a 50K account. So I don't know. It was because of the speed. I don't know. Yeah.
I have to look at it and see what happened.
Yeah, it must be something. Maybe if you're in something, they feel like you're getting radical about it
Yeah.
because it did a pretty aggressive pullback.
So were you trying to like put a stop loss in or?
Yeah, I was switching between my Trade of 8 and the trading view because I wanted to put my stop loss in. So I was trying to go to switch over to that to put the stop loss in, and then it just kind of dropped.
Yeah.
And it was like down 1,000, I guess. Maybe it didn't calculate that because it was like 1,000 down when it did it, but it still was. I still had some room to the 2,500. I don't know. But anyway, I'm on a new account now. It keeps wicking on this 1 minute.
Sorry, I wasn't paying attention just now. I was not paying attention.
It's kind of doing what it was doing yesterday, though. It was really riding
Huh?
that my 8, no, my 5 EMA. Kept coming back to it.
I wasn't paying attention just now when this happened. That's unfortunate. I took out sell side liquidity just now. That wick hadn't hit my stop loss. It didn't even trade back into this fair value gap. So it was good when I pulled back. Even though like I saw like the green just now, but it didn't pull back into this fair value gap. So hopefully it can maintain that. I don't know because I'm bullish. I don't want to see price. God damn it. I'm thinking about cutting this trade early. But see green, take green. I saw green on this trade twice now. Oh, yeah, yeah. I'm getting out. Don't like it. Don't like it. this candle closed in between my entry and my stop loss. I'm out of that trade. I got into another sale just now. Maybe I chased it. I don't know. But the fact that we closed in there, I'm thinking it's going to hit my stop loss. And I was correct. And I'm going to pay myself that $80. All right. Then I'll at least end the day with $500. So where are we at on the 5 minute? Where it came down to this entry right here. So we're at our 5 minute entry right there. And I'm going to take that call. And then since we hit that, I'm now going to put that as my stop loss. So I took that call right there because it hit that entry right there and 82. I'm still bullish. I just realized that I can get a better entry on calls. Let me put in my stop loss though. I do not have one in right now. It's going to be a big one though. It is $300 if it hits this stop loss. But y'all didn't see it. I've been paying myself today.
So you're gonna get that account funded today.
Look at that.
Nice push up.
Yep, that's $150. That's what I'm doing. Paying myself. Took that profits off the table.
Let me get my profits.
Look at that. Look at that, y'all. $683 trading nothing but MNQ. And paying myself. We are sergeants of the market. See green, take green. I'll be able to get another entry at 838.25. Because I am bullish. I'll be able to get back into this trade. So let me set that now. So it didn't give me that entry. So I am now going to move my entry to here, 852, and my stop loss is going to be 840.25. So I'm looking for this candle right here to tap me into this call right here at 8:52. And then my stop loss is 840.25. So there we go. Boom. In that trade. Perfect. So right now with this current trade, trading nothing but MNQ, still up $620 for the day. All on this video. If this stops me out, that's fine, right? I didn't want it to stop me out, but I'm gonna get back in here because that was 838.25. That was my original entry. So that did give me a stop just now. That's unfortunate. So I got my entry in, my stop loss set for this one. And I'm walking away. I'm in the Zoom. I'm taking this money off the table. $465 for the day. I was up $600, but I got stopped out twice just now. And I am walking away. I'm only going to make $400 for the day. So wanted to make more, but took 2 losses back to back. And I don't want to like marry no idea right now. So I'm just going to take a break from trading, close my computer, walk away, and I'm going to post this right onto YouTube. This was a great trading day. I didn't take many losses, and I only trade the MNQ. So I'm walking away. Y'all got any questions?
No, sir. Appreciate you
Bad
teaching.
trading day today.
Yep. Good job on trading day. I will catch y'all tomorrow or market recap.
Okay.
See ya.
See ya.